Bon appetit. Welcome to Evie's Kitchen. Today we're making baked branzino with potatoes. I'm going to be mixing the crushed garlic with the hot peppers. Cumin, black pepper, salt, and mix. 3 slits on each fish. Season with salt. Season with adobo. Oregano. Stuff with hot pepper and garlic. Cumin, salt, black pepper. Season with smoked paprika. Regular paprika. Putting onions, red peppers, parsley. Now lemon. Squeeze a little bit of lime. Now that the potato bed is set, place fish on top. Preheat oven at 375. Sprinkle the remaining of the veggies around.